Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a pufferfish. Supplies you'll need for this video is going to be a pencil, your outline marker, I use piano sketch liner, and your marker. There's going to be more in the video, but I just showed you. So yeah, with that all set up, let's get right into this video. First thing we're going to start for our pufferfish. It's gonna be the the pufferfish is just one big fish, but it's like a circle. So we're gonna draw like a U shape right here, a big U shape. And I say that you do it with pencil first. It's entirely your decision, but I just recommend using pencil first because you're gonna have to actually no, you can use whatever you want. You don't have to erase anything. Then you wanna make, so once you make that, you're gonna wanna make like a oval shape and with two lines coming out that connect and color the inside. So it looks like an egg-shaped circle with another circle inside. With a line that goes out, two dots, and then like a kind of like a 5 shape. Then I'm gonna make a line that goes all the way here, and it's gonna go down like that, but like you're gonna like make it curve. Then right here you're gonna make you're gonna make like a rectangle, but like the edges are like cornered with, of course, lines in them. Then same thing right here. Just keep doing that design except for here because it's around like the end of the fish. So you're gonna just make it around. Like imagine like it's the full block, but that's there. And then fast forward through this part and zoom in on this part, I'm gonna be just drawing spikes, which are kind of just a bunch of V's. And this is what your pufferfish sketch should look like. I need to fix this part right here. Right. Bam. Like that. Okay. So, I'm gonna do what I normally do. Okay, so I'm gonna outline. So, I'm gonna just outline through everything. Also, I forgot to tell you, but you're gonna do the process again where you make a circle inside and another circle inside, like that. Okay, I just wanted to do that. Now I'm going to show you the colors you will need. So pretty much the main color, kinda, is going to be, I want to make a yellow pufferfish, so I'm going to make a yellow pufferfish. You don't have to make it yellow. It's entirely your choice, but I'm going to make mine yellow. Then you'll need like an orangish color, I would say. Then a tan. That's the colors you will need. I'm gonna fast forward through this process. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when a new awesome Trent Cardinal video gets posted. And also check out my website, trentcardinal.com, where you can find shirts, hats, stickers, coloring books, and maybe, well, not maybe, but yeah, I think that's all. I don't know. You have to figure it out when you go to my website. So yeah, these should be all your colors. Some yellows and a tan and your black to outline. Okay guys, I'll see you guys when I'm done outlining. This is what your pufferfish should look like when you're done. Like I said before I color, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Your pufferfish is now an extinguished gentleman because I put a pipe cleaner on top of his mouth. So he now has a mustache. But yeah, this is what your pufferfish should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in a minute.